6 online communities about robot you should join, in detail. If you're interested in robotics and want to connect with other enthusiasts and professionals, joining an online community can be a great way to do so. Here are 6 online communities about robots that you should consider joining. Number 1, RobotShop Community. RobotShop is a popular online retailer of robot-related products, and they also have an active online community. The RobotShop community is a great place to connect with other robot enthusiasts, ask questions, and share your own knowledge and experiences. There are forums dedicated to various topics, such as robotics news, robotics projects, and robot building. Number 2, Robotics Stack Exchange. Stack Exchange is a network of Q&A communities on various topics, including robotics. Robotics Stack Exchange is a great resource for asking and answering technical questions about robotics. If you're working on a robot project and need help with a specific problem, this is a great place to turn to. Number 3, ROS Discourse. ROS, Robot Operating System, is a popular open-source framework for building robots. The ROS Discourse is a community forum dedicated to ROS, where users can ask and answer technical questions, share their own projects and experiences, and discuss the latest news and developments in the ROS world. Number 4, D-Drones. DIY Drones is a community of enthusiasts who build and fly their own unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, also known as drones. The community has a forum where members can share their own drone projects, ask questions, and connect with other drone enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone builder, DIY Drones is a great community to join. Number 5, RoboNation Forum. RoboNation is a nonprofit organization that supports robotics education and competition programs. The RoboNation Forum is a place where members can discuss various robotics topics, such as competitions, educational programs, and robotics news. It's a great place to connect with other robotics enthusiasts and stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. Number 6, Robot Enthusiast. Robot Enthusiast is a Facebook group dedicated to all things robotics. Members can share their own robot projects, ask questions, and connect with other robot enthusiasts from around the world. With over 6,000 members, Robot Enthusiast is a great community to join if you're interested in robotics. In conclusion, joining an online community about robotics can be a great way to connect with other enthusiasts, learn new things, and stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. Consider joining one or more of these communities to connect with like-minded individuals and take your robotics journey to the next level.